G'day and welcome to another video with Better Pics. Hope this finds you all well. Today's video we're going to have a look at how to create a vignette for your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a very quick and simple process, so let's have a look at how it's done. Alright, so we're just going to start by going up to Window, Workspace and changing it over to Color. And the reason that we want to do that is we want to have lumetric color available. You can see the tab on the right hand side here, which is where we do all of our color corrections and color grading. Now if you can't see that panel at all, you just head up to Window and make sure that lumetric color is ticked, as you can see there. Alright, if we head down to the very bottom of all the options there, you can see that there's a vignette. Now the top slider, which is the amount slider, as you can see there, if we slide it to the left, we can see it's darkening the outer edges, and if we slide it to the right, you can see it's lightening the outer edges. So we want to just slightly darken those outer edges, just to bring in more of the focus on the kookaburra that you can see in the frame there. The next option down, which is the midpoint, is just going to allow us to bring in the vignette closer to the center of the frame. The roundness is just going to increase the roundness, so we're going to increase that obviously to make it more round so that it's less square, as you can see if I go all the way to the left. So we're just going to increase that slightly. And the last option, which is feather, is the adjustment that allows you to smooth out the changeover from absolutely no darkening through to 100% darkening. So if we go all the way to the left to see how that works and we remove all of that feather, you can see it's a very hard line. If we go all the way to the right, you can see that it's softening it out very nicely so that it appears in a more natural way, as if that's how the frame looked originally. Now this clip at the moment has no other edits or changes done to it, so you can see just with those adjustments it still looks very natural, but if we turn it on and off, we can definitely see the difference that vignette gives to the frame. So it works very well. Thanks as always for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, any questions are welcome in the comments below. We look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.